Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to customize your Weebly site's buttons. First, log into your account, then go to your site editor. Once in, go and select the buttons that you want to customize. Now for here, click on it. Now you can change the button text and type in a text based on what you need. Now going back, you can also change its style, like having a background or transparent one or making it bigger. After that, you can also change the position of that button, then also the link of it by linking it to a website URL or a standard page, or you can link it to your product page. Going back, you can also change the spacing, like the top margin and the bottom margin of that button. Once done, Once done, the changes will automatically be saved. Now you can scroll through your website and access different buttons, and to customize them, you can go click on it, change the button text, the style, position, and link, and spacing. You can do that to other buttons as much as you'd like to. To add one, you can access the elements on the left panel, and here you can select button and drag it to the space or the section where you want it to be. Now you can change that to your liking, like changing the styles, position, the link, and the spacing as much as you'd like to. But that's just basically it. That's how you customize your Weebly website buttons. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.